Hello everyone, we continue to see Doppler indicated tornadic signatures here on the radar at this time. They're actually in the form of waterspouts that are now moving on shore along the Sun Coast, and we actually have 4 specific cells that we're keeping our eyes on. Now again, this tornado warning is for Sarasota and Charlotte counties until noon today. And the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates several landfalling tornadoes along the Sun Coast. These storms were located along a line extended from Vamo to South Venice to Grove City, or along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Sarasota to Venice and to Inglewood. These are moving north at 35 miles per hour, which means that they are moving on shore here. Now again, if you are in the path of these tornadoes in any of those cities, especially right near the beaches, you are encouraged to take shelter in a small interior room away from windows if possible in your home at this time. Again, we continue to see these little rotating cells moving on shore. And yes, out over the waters, the waterspouts are pulling up water, but once they move on shore, they can do just as much damage as a tornado that was born over the land. So again, we actually have 4 specific cells that we're watching. The first one is actually just moved on shore here near Venice. Another is about to move in near Englewood, another down near Rotunda, and one just to the south of that's actually going to be moving into the Port Charlotte area. These bands that you see here of the reds, the oranges, and with the white dots in them indicate not only the heavy rainfall, but the frequent lightning. And again, we are seeing rotation with some of these storms. This is probably the worst we've seen so far from Tropical Storm Andrea. The gustiest winds, we have had winds gusting to around 50 miles per hour, and the heaviest rain we have seen so far. So again, if you don't have to head out right now, don't head out on the roadways. And again, we do remain under a tornado warning for Sarasota and Charlotte counties until noon, and we'll be back with further updates soon.